The last time you saw the Haiboxing Protector, I was putting some new upgraded axles in it. But as you can see right here, I still got two different wheel nuts. Well, what happened is, I don't know if I can get it on camera in there, but I broke the drive cup coming out of the differential. So I didn't get to actually get this all done completely. So what we're going to do today is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to change that drive cup, and I'm going to show you guys how to do it. Before we get started, here is the package with the drive cups. And there's the part number if you need it, so you know which ones you get. So let's go ahead and get started on this. So the first thing we're going to do is get this wheel off. I got to take it off anyways to get that new axle back in. So of course you just take your screwdriver, unthread it because this is the factory one. And then when we get that off of here, that'll open it up a little bit better for us to see. Go ahead and we're going to have to keep that hex nut for putting our new axle in. Pop that stub shaft out. Then what I'm going to show you, if you can see that shiny circle right there, that's where the out drive cup goes. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take the screw out of the upper A-arm again. This will open it up and give us room to get to what we need to get to. So we'll go ahead and get that out of there. And we'll go ahead and pop that A-arm up here. There we go. Now as you can see, it opens it up a lot better to get into that drive cup. And all you got to do, if I can get my fingers in there, I might have to take it out. There you go. See that drive cup in there now? That's all there is to putting one of those in on a Haiboxing. So simple. So now all I got to do is grab my axle here. Then I'm going to go ahead, stick that back through the sub shaft here. Then go ahead, get it lined up with that drive cup. Pop that A-arm back down in. And there you go. You can see it in there now as I spin it. Guys, that's all there is to change in a drive cup on your Haiboxing Protector. Pretty simple. So I'm going to go ahead and get this put back together real quick. All right, and there you go. You can see now we got both the matching nuts on there. All the axles are updated and that new drive cup's in. Can't get much simpler than that. I give Haiboxing a huge thumbs up on that. Another easy change. The axles were easy and those were easy.